name is Renata Awyani. You can call me Rere. I'm from Dubabakan. RT5, RT6. I'm 16 years old. I like painting. Nice to meet you. Iqbal, please start.
Hello everyone. I'm sorry, but let me introduce myself. My name is Ikrar Bakti Gunawan. You can call me Ikrar. Maybe my example is little different, but yeah, I don't care. I'm from Cipanas, RW5, RT4. I am 13 years old. I like reading books. I like writing. I like playing basketball. My favorite players is Michael Jordan. Nice to meet you.
Naya, your turn.